So good afternoon dear students. Today discuss about sum of nth term of arithmetic progression. Before discussed about only nth terms of the arithmetic progression. Today discuss about sum of nth term of the arithmetic progression. What is the formula for the sum of nth term of the arithmetic progression is formula is means sum of nth term of arithmetic progression formula is denoted by Sn. Sn means sum of nth term is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into b or n by 2 2a can be written as a plus a plus n minus 1 into d. N by 2 a plus n minus 1, which formula this one? Nth term formula. N by 2 a plus n minus 1 d can be written as nth formula. N by 2 into a plus Tn is called last, that's why denoted by one more is L. So first formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d or else n by 2 into a plus L, where Sn is called sum of terms of the arithmetic progression. Sn is called sum of the term of the arithmetic progression. N is called number of elements or terms. N is called number of elements or terms. Next, A is called first term. A is called first term. D is called common difference. D is called common difference. Listen carefully. Sum of nth term of the arithmetic progression formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d or else n by 2 into a plus l. Here Sn it is nothing but sum of n terms. N is called number of elements or terms. A is called first term. D is called common difference. Next, all the questions will be used this formula. We can solve the questions. Everyone understood? What is the formula for the sum of nth term arithmetic progression formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The next, we can use this formula. We can solve the sum of n terms of the questions. Very easy, simple. First question is the first question. Find the sum of 15 elements. Find the sum of 15 elements of an arithmetic progression. The sequence is 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. What is given to calculate sum of the 15th elements means to find the values. Yes, 15 means sum of the 15 to calculate. Solution. So given sequence is what is the given sequence? 4, 5, 6, 7, definitely the sequence in arithmetic progression. Here A is denoted by first term. In the given sequence, what is the first term value is 4. So A value is 4. Next to D is equal to common difference. What is the common difference? 5 minus 4 is 1. Any term minus before term. N is equal to how many elements are given? 15 elements. N is equal to 15. They are asking sum sum of the 15 elements to calculate. So which form apply here? Sum of nth term of the arithmetic progression is sum of nth term of arithmetic progression is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What they are asking? Find the sum of 15th term or 15th element of the arithmetic progression is to calculate sum of the 15 elements. N are replaced by 15 by 2 into 2 into a. What is the a value? A value is 4. Substitute the a and n value and d values. N value is 15 minus 1 into d value is 1. Simplify the values. Yes, 15 is equal to 15 by 2 we can write as it is 2 4 just 8 plus 15 minus 1 is 14. 14 into 1 is 14 only. Next 15 by 2 8 plus 14 value is 22. Now cancellation 2 1 the 2 11 the. So now product with 15 into 11. So now 11 into 5 is 55. 11 into 1 is 11 plus 5 is 165. What is the one finally if you want? Find the sum of the 15 elements to calculate. Finally we got the sum of the 15 element value is 165. Sum of 15 elements is 165. So you want to understand what they are asking? Find the sum of the 15 elements to calculate S15. To calculate sum of the 15 elements. What they given sequence? 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. The given sequence definitely in the arithmetic progression. A is called first term. The given sequence, what is the first term value is 4. That's why we are taking A is equal to 4. Next D is common difference. In these two, what is the common difference value is 1. So number of elements there, how many elements they given? 15 elements. So N is equal to 15. Calculate sum of the 15th. That's why we are applying sum of nth term of the arithmetic progression formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here substituting the a value, n value, d value. After substituting, we can finally got the 165. The 165 value is sum of the 15 value is 165. Sum of the 15 means can add the 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus so on plus 50 values up to 15. So now one by one adding the taking so much time. That's why directly we can apply this formula. Definitely we will get 4 plus 5 9 plus 6 15. 15 plus 7 is 22. 22 plus 8 is 30. That taking so much time. That's why easily whenever they are asking sum of the n elements, you can apply the sum nth term of the arithmetic progression. Finally we got the what they are asking elements. It is clear? Next question. Very easy. Only applying the sum of nth term of the arithmetic progression. See the second question. Find the sum of the arithmetic progression is 1, 3, 5, 7, so on to 13 terms. 13 terms. Means what they are calculating? To calculate sum of 13th term. To calculate sum of 13th term is to calculate is 30. First we can write what is the given sequence? Given sequence is 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. Definitely the sequence in the arithmetic progression. Here A is first term value is 1, d is equal to common difference any term minus before term 3 minus 1 is equal to t. So n is equal to they given 13th term. So n is equal to 30 to calculate sum of the 13th term to calculate. So to calculate sum of the 13th term. Which formula apply here? Sum of the nth term of the arithmetic progression formula you should apply. After that, what is asking? Sum of 13th term you have to calculate. Term or element both are same thing only. Sum of 13th term of arithmetic progression is sum of 13th term you have to calculate. Sum of 30th term to calculate, n replaced by 30 by 2 into what is the a value is 1, substitute the values, a value is 1, n value is 30 minus 1 into d value is 2. Now simplify, 2 1 ja 2 15 ja, so now 15 is there, into 2 into 1 is 2 plus 30 minus 1 value is 29 into 2. Now simplify the values. Sum of the 13th is equal to 15 into 2 plus 29 into 2. 29 into 2, 58 is equal to 15 into 58 plus 2 is 60. 15 into 60 value is 900. Now sum of the 30 term value is 900. Right conclusion, sum of 13th terms or elements is 900. It is clear. What they are asking, find the sum of 13th term is required value is just 30. So to calculate sum of the 13th term, that's why what is the given sequence we are writing as it is. A is called the first term in the given sequence. What is the given first term value is 1. That's why A is equal to 1. D is nothing but common difference. Any term minus before term I am taking. Any one term is I am taking 3 minus before term is 1. 3 minus value is 2. What they are asking? Find the sum of the 13th term. Which formula apply here? Sum of the nth term of arithmetic progression formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we are substituting the a value, n value, d value. But you are substituting all the values. Finally, or the sum of the 13th element value is 900. So it is clear. You don't understand? Third question. So very easy. Only applying a value, n value, d value. So finally we got the what they are asking. Very easy. Next third question. Find the sum of the arithmetic progression is minus 8 comma minus 3 comma 2 comma so on to 20th term. So 20th term is to calculate sum of 20th term. To calculate sum of 20th term. So what is the given sequence here? Given sequence is minus 8 comma minus 3 comma 2 comma so on. In arithmetic progression, here first term is minus 8. Common difference is any term minus before term. Minus 3 plus 8 is equal to 5. To calculate sum of 20th term, so n is nothing but 20. To calculate sum of 20th term, so we are applying sum of nth term of the arithmetic progression formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. They are asking sum of 20th term. So to calculate sum of 20th term of arithmetic progression is to calculate sum of 20th term. N replaced by 20 by 2 into 2 into a value is minus 8 plus n value is 20 minus 1 into d value is 5. So everyone understood? The n value is 20, a value is minus 8, n value is 20, d value is 5. Now substituting, calculation 2 1 ja, 2 10 ja. So 10 into minus 2 8 ja, 16 plus 21 minus 1 is 19, 92. Simplify. Yes, 20 is equal to 10 into minus 6 plus. So 5 9 ja, 45. So is 95. 19 into 5 is 95. Now 10 into minus 16 plus 95. So subtracting the 95 minus 6 is 9. Next is 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 79. So the value is 79. Minus 16 plus 95 value is 79. 10 into 79 value is 790. Now conclusion, sum of 20th term or sum of 20th elements is 790. See, it is clear? What they are asking? Find the sum of the 20th term. To calculate sum of 20th term. What is the given sequence? Minus 8 comma minus 3 comma 2. Any two difference elements will be same. This difference is also 5. This difference also 5. Now we are taking n is equal to, what is n is equal to 20? Because of the last line, sum of the 20th term. So that's why we are applying the sum of the 20th term form is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substituting all the values. Finally, we got the sum of the 20th term value is 790. It is clear? Everyone understood? Next, same related question, fourth question. Fourth question. Here fourth question. Find the sum of the arithmetic progression is 2 comma 6 comma 10 comma so on to 15 term. Find the sum of the arithmetic progression is 2 comma 6 comma 10 so on to 15th term. To calculate sum of the 15th term. To calculate sum of 15th term, the given n is equal to 50. What is the given sequence here? 2 comma 6 comma 10 so on in arithmetic progression. A is called first term will get given to d is equal to common difference 6 minus 2 is equal to 5. So now applying the sum of the term of the arithmetic progression is Sn is equal to n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. To calculate sum of 15th term of the arithmetic progression is, find the value sum of 15. N replaced by 50 by 2 into a value is 2 plus n value is 15 minus 1 into d value is 4. Now simplify 2 1 ja 225. So 25 into 2 2 ja 4 plus 50 minus 1 value is 49 into 4. Simplify the value. Sum of 15 term is equal to 25 4. So 49 into 4. So 4 9 ja 36. 4 4 16 plus 3 is 196. That value is 196. Now 25 into 4 plus 196 value is 200. Now 4 plus 49 into 4 value is 196. 4 plus 196 is equal to 200. 25 into 200 is 5000. So what is the sum of the 15th term values? Sum of 15th terms is 5000. It is clear. What is asking? Sum of the 15th term. Then given a value is 2, d is equal to 4. So to calculate sum of the 15th term, we are applying sum of nth term of the arithmetic progression is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute all the values. Finally, we got the sum of the 15th value is 5000. Next, fifth question. Very easy. All the questions are only applying one formula. All are related questions only. Final question in this method. So very easy. So here only applying the sum of the nth term of the arithmetic progression formula only here applying. So all the questions are same thing only, but values are change only. Fifth question. Find the sum of nth term of arithmetic progression is 19 plus 23 plus 27 plus so on to calculate 26th term. To calculate 26th term is to calculate sum of 26th term that given. Here given sequence is not series. Here given not sequence, here given series. Because of sum of the given series is 19 plus 23 plus 27 plus so on in the arithmetic progression. Here what is the first term? First term is 19. Difference is 23 minus 19. That value is 4. To calculate sum of 26th term. So n is nothing but 26. So to calculate sum of 26th term of the arithmetic progression is sum of 26 n replaced by 26 by 2 into a value is nothing but 19 plus n value is 26 minus 1 into t value is now cancellation 2 on the 2 13 the. So 13 into 19 plus 2 is 38 plus 26 minus 1 value is 25 into now simplify the values. Sum of 26th term is equal to 30 into 38 plus 25 into 4 is 100 is equal to 13 into 38 plus 100 is 138. What is the value of 13 into 138? Product with 13 into 138 value is 1794. 1794. Quickly you got the sum of 26 terms is 1794. This is the solution for the sum of nth term of the arithmetic progression. How to calculate sum of nth term of the arithmetic progression? This is a process. So now what the given sequence? The given series is 19 plus 23 plus 27 so on or in arithmetic progression. Here first term it is called A. So A is equal to 19. D is called common difference. Common difference is 4. They are asking find the sum of the 26th term. That's why we are applying sum of nth term of the arithmetic progression is Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus n minus 1 into d. They are asking find the sum of 26th term. That's why we are applying sum of 26 formula. After substitute all values. N value is 26, a value is 19, n value is 26 minus 1 into d value is 4. So now 2 and the 2 13. 2 into 19 is 38 plus 26 minus 1 is 25. 25 into 4. 25 into 4 value is 100. 100 plus 38 is 138. 138 into 30 value is 179. 1794. So 13 into 138 value is 1794. Finally you got the answer is sum of 26th term value is 1794. This is the problems for the sum of the nth term of the arithmetic progression. It is clear? Everyone understood? Thank you all.